I'm gonna do a hair video today if I don't do nothing else. Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a natural hair care video. Alright, y'all, we just gonna get straight into it. Underneath this hat, I don't know what's under it, so it's gonna be a surprise for all of us. I do have the twist that I put in with the My Black is Beautiful, y'all. It's still them same twists, and it's been probably like a week. We just gonna go ahead and uncover it. I was gonna do a countdown and all that, y'all. We ain't doing all that. We just gonna get right into it, and I just got it up in a ponytail. This is gonna be a pre-poo video. Y'all, my hair is still so soft and moisturized. Look at that spring, y'all. Look at that. This could almost be like a takedown, you know, see if we could salvage a style video. I have been very busy with school, with my garden, and with getting things together. As you may have noticed from some of my more recent uploaded videos. Y'all, it's time to let the cat out of the bag with all of this. Y'all, you know, things is just not right. And if anybody is waiting for somebody else to come in and take care of them, or, you know, save them or whatever when extremely troubled times hit, I feel like those people are going to be left out. I don't want anybody who is subscribed to my channel who happened to come across this particular video or the two other ones I did previously. I don't want anybody to be caught off guard. I don't want anybody to be unprepared in whatever that means for you. I got this knot right here. I'm trying to work. I'm going to leave it. And maybe the product that I'm going to use in a little bit is going to help me out. But, you know, just back to that real quick. I don't want nobody to be stuck out. I don't want nobody to be left out. I don't want nobody to be holding the short end of the stick. So even though my hair is so soft and I just feel like the wash day would be a breeze because of something I did yesterday, and I wish I would have recorded it, but I really didn't think about it. Today I'm going to do a pre-poo. Now, if you've seen any of my backyard shenanigans videos, you know that I have 10 aloe vera plants who are on probably 5th generation, you know, great, probably 10th generation grandchildren. So I have all of those aloe vera. I have all of those leaves out there to do with what I will. And I haven't really been doing anything with them. So I just so happened to be watching a video yesterday, and they were talking about dehydrating aloe vera gel. I was like, man, I have a dehydrator. I have aloe vera gel leaves. Let me go ahead and hook that up. So I cut off maybe like 4 nice sized leaves, rinsed them off, and I put the aloe vera in my dehydrator at like 9:30 last night. And then when I checked at about 7 o'clock this morning, the thin pieces that I cut, those were all dehydrated and ready to roll. But I didn't cut all of them into thin pieces. And so those pieces, they were dry, but they weren't completely dehydrated. I know I'm going to miss some twist, but that's all right, because we just going to be pre-pooing this video. And then I'm going to follow up. I need to do a protein treatment after this. That's going to be with Afro-G. And y'all, I'm going to continue to use those products until they are empty. And then I'm going to move on to some of the natural protein treatments. I know that Nyjah is real heavy on Botanica, but y'all got to check out her recent video. She tried that Green Beauty. If you want to know what she thought about it, check out her video. So it's a couple of brands you know, a more natural protein treatments, and I don't have no problem trying them out. But y'all, you know how I do. Waste not, want not. I'm not finna throw away the Alpha-G to go buy something else. We ain't doing that. So the next video after this will be a protein treatment, and it's gonna be pretty quick. Y'all done seen me use Alpha-G products like 10,000 times. After that, I'm gonna do, well, I guess continue the wash day with the products I'm looking at them. And it really should be a way back Wednesday video, because them products is way back. But we'll see how it rolls. We'll see how it rolls. So let me just show you right quick. I picked out some of the aloe vera that was fully dehydrated. See in here, and it's just look how paper thin that is, the flakes. This was like a full chunk of like aloe vera leaf. See how paper thin that is? And I have a bunch of them like this. What I'm gonna do is blend this up, and I'm gonna make aloe vera powder. So instead of paying however much it costs to buy aloe vera powder, I'm just gonna make my own. And I can use it in hair products, skin products. I can use it for first aid. I can consume it. It's a lot of stuff that I can do with it. But I want to have that dehydrated powder, because that's going to last a lot longer than me trying to keep this in a refrigerator. Like keep the gel like in the refrigerator or in the freezer, because I haven't been using aloe vera every day. I'm probably not just going to jump back into it and be using it every day. And even when you keep it in a refrigerator, even if you add lemon juice or citric acid or some of the other natural or artificial preservatives, aloe vera gel still only lasts so long when you work in the product at home. So aloe vera powder, yeah, although I put most of the aloe vera gel in the dehydrator, I still have some of the aloe vera juice, and that's what I'm going to use for my Prepoo today. It's not a lot, but I don't need a lot. This a little bit goes a long way. This is very sticky, slimy, gooey. I actually already had some when I finished processing the aloe vera, and I had a lot of the slime like on my hand still. I just put it, you know, just wiped it on my hair and tucked it under my gray Healy for the night. I'm just going to be putting the aloe vera gel on my hair. I'm going to let it sit for maybe like 20 minutes. Rinse it out, and then I'm going to start with the Alpha-G protein treatment wash day, and I'm going to finish it up with those products. And depending on when I finish all of these videos and get them edited, that'll determine whether or not that last video is a way back Wednesday or just, you know, the final piece of a wash day. This is going to be a little bit messy, so you can see, look at that. Ooh, y'all, look at that goodness. Look at that goodness. I probably should put a towel, but that's all right. This is going to be my wash day shirt, because y'all going to see this in the next few videos. And I'm just going to put it on. I could spray down my hair with some water. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should do that. Y'all, I be wanting the aloe vera full strength, though. And I have enough in here. This will actually last me, even though it only seemed like a little bit. That'll probably last me at least 2 times. I could use this. But I don't feel like preserving it and saving it, y'all. So I'm really just going to drench my hair with this aloe vera gel juice. And it smells like raw, pure aloe vera gel, if you ever smelled that before. It don't smell like nasty or nothing like that to me. It smells earthy. It smells green. It smells like pure, raw, unprocessed aloe vera. And I love it. I love it. Well, I try not to love inanimate objects or stuff like that, but I just say I really, really like it. I used to buy, and I still do, the Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel. The clear gel, not the green ones and the ones that's marked to use for like sunscreen or whatever. Not those, like the clear one. The 24-ounce bottle. And I remember back in the day when it was way less than what it costs right now. But if I can catch it on sale, I'll buy it by the case. Depending on, you know, whatever the limits are for the sale, I will go ham on it. I think I have four or six bottles of it right now, right here underneath my bathroom sink. Y'all, and this is so slimy, like trying to work with it. But this stuff right here, and I'm just doing like a little bit of finger detangling as I go, but y'all, and if I wasn't trying to use all of it and save it, I could apply water, you know, just to help spread it throughout my hair. But y'all, I want the full strength. I want everything. I want all of it, 100% aloe vera. All right, and this is how we looking. Look at that. Oh, this had my hair feeling so good. Yes, it does. And then I'm just getting that shed hair as I go along. I'll do one more section on camera, and then I might just speed up the rest, or I might just come back like after it's done. I really didn't want this video to be too long because I still have to record the whole rest of the wash day. I wish I could get some of this on camera for y'all, but I don't have like 2 and 3 cameras and 4 and 5 angles, you know what I'm saying? Like we got one cell phone camera. We got one shot, one direction, one lens. But we make it work though, y'all. We make it work. So that's this side. And I'm going to go back. I'm going to see how much I need for the other side. And whatever extra I have, y'all get that kitchen. We ain't going to play. We ain't playing no games around here. Catch that kitchen. Look at that. That kitchen kind of long, but catch it. All right, here is the hair with the 100% raw aloe vera and a little bit of water I sprayed in at the end. My hair feels so good. It already felt good with the My Black is Beautiful, but it feels so good. Why y'all ain't tell me I was out of frame? Ha ha. And this is it, plaited or twisted. Yeah, I'm gonna just let this sit for a little while. Get set up for the next video. And I'll be back with that Afro-G 2-step protein treatment. Modified. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, share my video, share this series, share my playlist, share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.